Hello there. I hope we are all doing well, and I hope this video meets you well as well. I'm doing well by the grace of God, and my name is Efe and I run an online business whose mission is to inspire you to broaden your horizon, to enlarge your coast, and to expand your vision in every and any area of life. My mission is to inspire you to explore and go beyond look beyond your current situation, your current state, your current condition, and expand and move on and move forward. Today I want to share with us on block out the negatives and move on. A lot of times when we want to do something that maybe is unprecedented or we haven't done in our families before, discouragements come up, comments come up here and there, and it's so funny how negative comments tend to take the lead instead of the positive ones. We go back and we brood over it, we whine over it, we think about it, and then we say, okay, yes, what that person said is true, and we just fall back. But thank God, Les Brown says that make sure when you fall on your back, because if you can look up, then you can get up and you can get going. So block out the negatives. Don't let anything negative begin to sow a seed in you and allow that seed to germinate. Don't allow it happen. Otherwise, it will run the course of your life. Les Brown also says, don't let anyone's opinion of you be your own reality. God has created you for a purpose, and I've told myself that I'm going to inspire, even if it's one person that watches my video and gets inspired, that is more than enough for me. I'm going to do it one day at a time, one person at a time, because marketing to everybody is marketing to nobody. So I'm going to I'm going to inspire one person at a time. And I decided that I was going to take a few steps, and those are the steps I just want to share with you today. One of them is consistency. Or first of all, let's start with the goal. Have a goal. What do you want to achieve? How do you want to achieve it? What plans do you have? Have a goal that you are always working towards, so that whenever you are trying to go astray by comments or what people have said or what people are doing or what people are thinking about you, your goal is there to redirect your path. It's like a GPS for you. Your goal is there to redirect you back to where you want to get to. Secondly, be consistent. Don't do it today and stop tomorrow, because when you are not consistent, then that motivation dies, that optimism dies. So be consistent. The third thing I want us to do, and I'm doing as well, is to assess your progress. No, well, that's the last one. Assessing your progress is the last one. But have an accountability partner. Be accountable to yourself as well. Set timelines. When you have a goal, when you set a goal, make sure you have timelines as to when to accomplish it. Otherwise, that word procrastination is just knocking at your door. And if you don't, plan your time and your day consistently, procrastination will come in, and then you find out that what you were supposed to do at the beginning of the month, you've not even accomplished at the middle, talk less of the end of the month. So be consistent in whatever you are doing. Don't let the negatives come to play, and brush them off. Earl Nightingale said, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. The Bible also says that if you believe, that you will receive. So what do you believe about yourself? Self-belief also is very important to brush out all the negatives. Self-belief is important. If you don't believe you can do something, you'll never be able to do it. But remember also that it requires training. You need to train your mind. You need to also have a mindset change and tell yourself no, because that chatter is always there telling you you cannot do this, you cannot achieve this. But the Bible has said you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. The Bible has said that if you believe that you can achieve, Napoleon Hill says, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. And if you believe that, then it will happen. So self-belief is also very important. And so whatever the negatives are, brush them off and move forward. That's my short share for today. I will see us all on the next video. And I want to remind you also that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Take care, and God bless you. Stay inspired and grateful.